Hi everyone, welcome to and welcome back to Modern Pinoy Cooking. And for today's video, I'm going to show you how I make bulalo. And guys, I promise this dish will bulalo your mind away. And why am I making this? Well, a good friend of mine, Vince, requested this. So with no further ado, let's start cooking. Okay, let's start with some garlic. Let's chop this up. And we need half of red onions. I'm gonna chop it up as well. We need some ginger. Whatcha? What? We need 4 to 5 slices of ginger. All right, let's saute the onions and garlic. Mix. I'm going to add in the ginger. And we're going to sear our beef shanks. We're going to sear both sides. Okay, let's add some salt, some black pepper, and I'm going to add half cup of water. And I'll cover this so we can get the flavor locked into the meat. We're cooking this for 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, we're going to add 8 cups of water, and we're going to cook this for an hour. Guys, if you're new to my channel, I post weekly videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Alright guys, on a separate pot, I am boiling water because I'm cooking 2 pounds of beef bones. And later on, we're going to add it to our beef shanks. Alright, so we're gonna drop this in. We're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper into this also, and we'll cook this for an hour and a half. Okay guys, let's prep our red potatoes, cut them in half. And this is our secret ingredients, guys. We call this mulberry barks, and I'm also using 2 anise seeds, and I have some flathead cabbage over here, and some enoki mushrooms, and I have fresh corn, and we're going to steam this for 20 minutes. Okay, let's go back to our beef shanks, guys. Alright, after an hour, I'm going to add 6 cups of rice water. And then we're going to bring it to a boil before we add our mulberry barks, and we're also going to add our anise seeds. And I'm also adding 4 pieces of jujubes. Alright guys, this is the one that we were boiling earlier, and I'm going to take the bones out and transfer this one into our main dish. Oh my god, this looks good, right? Alright, let's check on our meat to see if it's tender. That looks tender, guys. Yep, falling off the bone. That's really tender. This is about ready, guys. So now we're going to add our potatoes and cook this for 3 minutes. Then after 3 minutes, we're going to drop in our cabbage. This particular one cooks really fast, so you're only cooking this for 30 seconds. Okay guys, after a few seconds, I'm going to add in some fish sauce to taste. And we're going to set this aside because we are going to saute our enoki mushrooms with a little bit of butter. And this one also cooks really fast, so we're only cooking this for 30 seconds. Smells good, guys. I can't wait to eat. Alright, this is done. And now you have Bulalo. Look at that, guys. That looks really good. I can't wait to eat this with some steamed rice. But usually, guys, whenever I cook Bulalo, I always add some chili oil. Look at that. Not only that, I like it spicy, so I'm adding some samyang sauce. Ooh, my goodness. Guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this one, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it with your friends. Guys, until next time, see ya.